The only thing permanent about true love is the pain you feel when it goes. So turn your back on forever, run from the past as it explodes. You are a mirror image of a God you'll never know, who created hell to show you how to be alone. Break the heart of the one you love to serve the one you fear. So used to self-abuse by now, because the end is always near. And you're a mirror image of a girl